Hey guys, this is Paul Hutchings with PipelineMoney.com, and I'm so excited because my Gator Trifold tonneau cover just showed up down at the end of my driveway. So I'm gonna go pick it up and I'm gonna do a review. This is my truck. I just got it washed up yesterday. I got the bed all cleaned out, and I'm gonna go grab this tonneau cover, throw it on the back of this Duramax, and see how it works. All right, there's the box. I got my truck here. So first question is, can I lift this up by myself and load it up into the truck? Also, I wanted to just say which model I got. I got the Trifold version instead of the roll-up version. They're both the same price, around 300 bucks, which seems to be a pretty good deal depending upon how nice this thing is and how well it works. But the reason I got the Trifold version is because I saw a review that said that the Trifold version kept the water completely out of the truck, whereas the roll-up version did not. The roll-up version can go all the way back and give you the full use of the bed. The Trifold version does not give you the full use of the bed because it folds and there's a little spot at the end when you have it installed. However, one review I watched said that it only took 5 minutes to put on and off, so I figure if I need to use my full bed, I can just take the whole tonneau cover off. That's the plan. Okay, I just loaded it up and it was super light, so one person can easily load this up in the back of a truck. All right, so what's in the box? Surprisingly little. So you've got this tonneau cover here. It's pretty light. I was looking for parts and I didn't really see any. There's some straps there with some plastic on them, and then I've got a couple of little deals there with rubber on them, and I've got this little set of instructions, and when I opened up the instructions, it said no tools required. So this will be interesting to see how this goes on. All right, here's the finished product. Not too shabby. I like the look of it for sure. All right, so here's how it works. Once you've got it installed, you just open up these clamps here. There's just two. And then once you have those off, that allows you to your one fold and then your second fold. And if you want to drive with these, you just take these clamps and pat them down there. Once you have that down, you can just fold this down, and then you have these little clamps there. And then you can drive with your bed mostly open. Obviously you couldn't fit like a four-wheeler back there, but this was so easy to put on. There's literally only two more clamps under there that if I want to use my full bed, I'll just pull that tonneau cover off, no problem. So to fold it out and put it back on, you just unfold it and then take these clips, pop them down. Very easy. I have my tonneau cover on. I think the sides definitely will be completely waterproof, but let me show you something here. On the very edge, and I don't know if you can see that, but if I look down where this weather stripping meets the front of my truck, there is about a 1/2 inch gap all the way down. And back here, I think that's pretty close. So I may have to add some weather stripping back here, and then maybe another piece of weather stripping all along the front. So I noticed some reviews said that it came with weather stripping. Mine did not come with weather stripping. So I'm thinking that's probably just normal to have to put a little bit of weather stripping across the front and across the back to make this completely weatherproof. But all in all, I love the cover. It was super fast and easy to install, probably like 5 minutes, and that's only because I had to read the instructions. Once you know how it goes on and off, literally just a couple of minutes to put on and clamp down and take off. So I love the cover. I think it's awesome. I'm excited to use it. I hope you found this review very helpful in your decision to purchase this Gator Trifold tonneau cover. If you like this video, please feel free to like the video, comment below. If you've used this tonneau cover, subscribe to my channel for more content from me. And hey, this might be a long shot, but I had to throw it out. My dream in life is to help people build a residual income via online marketing. I'm so thankful to say that I've been able to retire in my early 40s thanks to residual income. So in addition to making review videos, I always love to invite people to take a look at a business model that I helped to create 7 years ago, where you can grow residual income and have the potential of disconnecting your time from your money. So if you'd like to take a look at that, definitely visit pipelinemoney.com or click the link in the description below to take a look at this business model. Thanks for watching. This is Paul Hutchings signing out, encouraging you to always go for your dreams. Bye for now.